How much does cost? Learn Estonian.
Kui palju maksab?
Welcome. Hey there, ready to save some cash and sound awesome in Estonian? This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun path to languages. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, downloads, and cheeky practice drills. Today you'll learn to ask.
Kui palju maksab?
How much does cost? Your goal today. Let's set a clear mission. By the end, you'll comfortably ask for prices with.
Kui palju maksab?
Understand answers like.
See maksab 5 eurot.
And no quick helpers like.
Mis on hind?
What's the price? Bonus. You'll pick up must-know words for paying and bargaining. Mini dialogue at the market. Listen first, then echo me like a pro. You, excuse me.
Tere! Kui palju maksab?
Clerk.
See maksab 5 eurot.
It costs 5 euros. You, great, thanks. Alternative if you forget the phrase.
Mis on hind?
What's the price? Narrator. Smile, nod, and, if your wallet had eyes, it would wink and whisper.
Kui palju maksab?
Vocab speedrun. Repeat after me, short, sharp, and useful. Price equals.
Hind.
Expensive equals.
Kallis.
Cheap equals.
Odav.
Discount equals.
Allahindlus.
Receipt equals.
Kviitung.
To pay equals.
Maksma.
To buy equals.
Ostma.
Money equals.
Raha.
Coin equals.
Münt.
Card equals.
Kaart.
Drills you can't forget. Quick pattern practice. Say it out loud. Ask for coffee.
Kui palju maksab?
The coffee. Ask for a ticket.
Kui palju maksab?
The ticket. React to the price.
See on kallis.
That's expensive. Or.
See on odav.
That's cheap. Ask about a discount.
Kas on allahindlus?
Decide to buy.
Ma tahan ostma selle.
I want to buy this. Pay by card.
Ma maksan kaardiga.
I pay with card. Pay with coins.
Mul on mündid.
I have coins. Ask for a receipt.
Kas ma saan kviitungi?
Can I get a receipt? Culture tip. Tallinn market savvy. Sound polite, get better deals. In Estonian markets, a friendly tone goes far. Start with.
Tere!
And ask.
Kui palju maksab?
Smile, point gently, and if you want to be extra smooth, ask about a discount.
Kas on allahindlus?
Don't mix it up with.
Kus on tualet?
Where is the toilet, unless you really need directions. Pro gesture. Tap your wallet lightly, then raise your eyebrows. Your face basically says.
Kui palju maksab?
Memory hook. Sing it. Make it stick with a tune. Sing.
Kui palju maksab?
To the first 4 notes of Twinkle, Twinkle. Kui palju maksab? Your brain loves melodies, your wallet loves savings. Quiz time. Answer out loud, no peeking. 1. How do you say, how much does cost in Estonian? Answer.
Kui palju maksab?
2. What's price in Estonian? Answer.
Hind.
3. You want to pay by card. Say it. Answer.
Ma maksan kaardiga.
4. Ask politely if there's a discount. Answer.
Kas on allahindlus?
Challenge. Time to be brave. Today, pick 3 items around you, coffee, a ticket, a souvenir, and ask out loud.
Kui palju maksab?
Then respond with either.
See on kallis.
Or.
See on odav.
Finally, close the deal.
Ma maksan kaardiga.
Or.
Mul on mündid.
Bonus. Grab a mock,
kviitung,
aka a sticky note, and write the
hind.
on it. Outro. You did great. Thanks for listening. Brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
kui palju maksab?
Explore more English Estonian mini lessons and grab free resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Until next time, may your
raha.
go further and your bargains be sweet.